What do you expect in an HVAC system? To hit the right temperature in a room, to enhance comfort for the most used space, to individually control different rooms with different functions, or to give your fresh space customized comfort. And if you're looking for more, like flexible and easy installation, energy savings, quiet convenience, and aesthetical pleasure, which conventional window ACs can't deliver, Midea High Wall Split will be your perfect solution. It provides maximum flexibility and ease for your installation. The indoor unit can be connected to the outdoor unit via just a small 3-inch hole in the wall, so there's no demo, patching, or repainting required. With a maximum pipe length of 213 feet, you can flexibly install the unit in any needed area at your home. Essentially, no matter the space, no matter the challenge, we have a wide capacity range from 3/4 ton to 3 tons to accommodate your unique needs. When it comes to the outdoor unit, the compact and slim design makes it a perfect option for tight spaces. It can also significantly lower your HVAC and power costs. Using variable speed technology, the Midea High Wall system offers up to 21.7 seasonal energy efficiency ratio and up to 9.4 heating seasonal performance factor energy efficiency performance, providing high-efficiency cooling and heating for your year-round comfort. The variable speed technology enables the compressor to virtually continuously operate according to the changing temperature needs. In this way, the system can provide more precise temperature control. When the set temperature is reached, the compressor will slow down to a minimal speed to maintain the room temperature, which allows up to 30% less energy consumption. You can also activate Midea's exclusive iEco mode to slash your energy bills with an advanced optimization of the compressor operation. Without using traditional ductwork, the system cools and heats only where you need and when you need, avoiding unnecessary energy waste. What else? Midea High Wall Split system offers you unprecedented comfort. The system can deliver flash cooling and heating, and continuously operate from as low as a chilly 5 degrees Fahrenheit up to as high as a scorching 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And there's no more annoying noise when you don't want to be disturbed. The system features 100-gear infinite fan speed control to ensure the most suitable airflow for your home. And with the M Smart Home app and Wi-Fi enablement available, you can easily control your Midea system in the palm of your hand or via voice command. Make the step up to Midea High Wall Split system and bring your home easy, efficient, and smart comfort that exceeds your expectations. Contact your dealer or visit MideaDuctless.com.